Hello everybody and welcome to this video about how to install your Pro Suite Gold on your PC. First of all, you should have bought already the product from coderfortraders.com website. And once you have bought the product, you have now an account that you created during the checkout process. Here I'm gonna go to the coderfortraders.com website, and if you click on this little button here at the top, you're gonna access your account, and from that you will be able to look at your dashboard, the orders that you have done with us. You can view the orders here, and you also have here the download links for your product. So here it can be different when you look at this video, but this is something similar to that you should see. You have the product Pro Suite Gold here that by clicking we're going to download it. It's going to be a zip file, and here down below these are two videos about how to install your Pro Suite Gold and how to create your first workspace. So now what I'm going to do here for this example, we're going to download the Pro Suite Gold, which is the 2.91 at this time. When you click on the button, it depends on your browser that you are using. With Firefox here, you're going to see this message window. I know that with Chrome, you're going to see the zip file appear at the bottom left here of your screen. Anyway, you know it's going to be automatically sent to your download folder. Here, we're going to save it. We do not want to open it, we want to save it. So we're gonna save it, and by clicking on OK, it's gonna be putting this zip file on your download folder. Here, if I look at my download folder here, you can see that the Pro Suite Gold 2.9.1, the zip file is right there inside your download folder. All right. So once that's done, now you have the zip file on your download folder. We are ready to import it, but before we will have to set up your license on the NinjaTrader server. So to be able to do that, we are gonna click on Help, Third-Party Licensing, and from the vendor name, we're gonna enter Coder for Traders, all in one word, with a capital C, capital F, and a capital T. So Coder for Traders with an S at the end. And on the user defined ID box, this is an ID that is unique to you. It could be your initial or anything. Usually 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, the most will do it, and it's going to be unique to you. Once you enter your user defined ID, you click on Submit, and you're going to see the whole license number with the user defined ID at the end. It's going to appear in that box. So you're going to have to copy and paste that whole number and send it to me by email at support@coderfortraders.com. And you just wait. You just wait to hear me back because during that time I will set up your license on the NinjaTrader server so that you will be able to use your product. So once I have entered your license, I'm going to send you an email back telling you that you can continue with the import process of your product. So now we have the license, we have downloaded the product from the zip file from the coderfortraders.com. We're ready to import it into our machine. So to be able to do that, we're gonna go to the Tools menu, Import, and we're gonna click on Ninja Script add-on. And from there, you're gonna end up to a folder on your PC. Obviously, you're gonna have to go to the download because this is where the zip file has been put. You just click on a ProSuite Gold and you click here on Open, and it's going to import your product on your PC. You're going to see a message that it has been successfully downloaded. So once that done, with your product, we have a special skin, so we have to set that also. So we go through tools options, and from there, under the general tab here, we have the skin here, which is by default, I think it should be a slate gray or whatever. Slate blue is really belong to Coder for Traders. So this is a slate that has been created for ProSuite Gold. So you have to select that slate blue, and you click on OK. And you're going to see probably a message telling you that you will have to close NinjaTrader so that the skin is going to take effect. Just to make sure also that all that we have done has been done when you are connected. It's always better. So now you can just close NinjaTrader and you reopen NinjaTrader, and you are all set. You're gonna have your product, and now the next step is going to be to create a workspace to trade, and this is the subject of the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and good trading.